to our video. Today we will share about black bean tacos. These tacos are a vibrant celebration of plant-based goodness that will tantalize your taste buds and satisfy your hunger. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-lean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 small red onion chopped, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and ½ teaspoon cumin and ½ teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, taco shells or tortillas toppings, avocado, salsa, lettuce, vegan cheese optional. In a pan, sauté the bell pepper and onion until softened. Add black beans and spices, cooking until heated through. Season with salt and pepper, then spoon the mixture into taco shells. Top with avocado, salsa, lettuce, and vegan cheese if desired. For more vegan recipes, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.